Introduce highlight features or overview summary of UJS Enhanced Universal, OBD2 scanner. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronic systems, and when the check engine light suddenly illuminates, many drivers are left confused, anxious, and unsure whether the issue is minor or requires immediate attention. The UJS SAFESCAN offers a practical, powerful, and user-friendly solution designed to eliminate the guesswork behind car diagnostics. This advanced OBD2 scanner serves as your personal CEL or check engine light doctor. Equipped with over 45,000 built-in diagnostic trouble code or DTC lookups, enabling it to analyze engine alerts with precision and provide accurate interpretations that are easy to understand. Instead of relying solely on a mechanic's explanation, vehicle owners can now take control of their automotive health and gain valuable knowledge before committing to costly repairs. One of the standout advantages of UJS SAFESCAN is its endorsement by professional mechanics. Experts recommend it for its superior diagnostic capability and advanced I/M readiness function, which clearly displays emission system status. This makes it incredibly useful when preparing for official vehicle inspections, ensuring that emission components are functioning properly before visiting a testing center. The scanner's accuracy and speed help users detect issues early, minimizing surprises and costly breakdowns. Using the device is remarkably simple, thanks to its plug-and-play design. The SAFESCAN does not require batteries or charging, just plug it into the vehicle's OBD2 port and turn on the ignition. Within 1 minute, the scanner completes a full system check, providing essential diagnostic information instantly. Its upgraded chipset ensures lightning-fast processing, making it ideal for everyday drivers, DIY enthusiasts, and automotive professionals alike. Compatibility is another strong asset of this tool. The UJS SAFESCAN supports 9 OBD2 protocols, including CAN, KWP2000, ISO 9141, J1850PWM, and J1850VPW, making it suitable for all OBD2 compliant vehicles from post-1996 US models to more recent European and Asian cars. With support for over 10 languages, it accommodates users worldwide, ensuring accessibility and convenience regardless of location. Designed for durability and portability, the unit weighs just 8 ounces and measures a compact 6.10 x 3.43 x 0.94 inches. Its patented ergonomic structure and vibrant 2.8-inch color screen offer a clear and intuitive interface. Additionally, printer compatibility allows users to share or save diagnostic reports with mechanics or insurance providers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned automotive technician, the UJS SAFESCAN's combination of performance, convenience, and reliability makes it an essential tool for every vehicle owner seeking confidence and clarity in car maintenance. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.